Betamet, the art of installation. We are different, and we are proud of it. We have stood out from the rest since we started in 1993. Not only do we wear clean overalls and carry fully equipped toolboxes, but we also come armed with a strong will to do the job the way our customer wants it done. We employ the best in the business to do precision teamwork under the eye of our supervisors. The same mechanics that come to you time and again are part of Betamet's team of experts. We offer more than you expect. We at Betamet offer you turnkey deliveries that, in addition to installation, include piping and electrical work. Work is best done when it involves as few doers and persons responsible as possible. Turnkey deliveries that include Betamet's fabricated products are our trump card. We're also best prepared for equally cost-effective maintenance and repair work. We are reliable. You can trust us. With one project well done after another, we have built a reputation that precedes us from country to country. Delivery reliability is a matter of honor to us. Customers' wishes regarding deadlines and quality of work are always followed through. Sure, there are less expensive options available, but in the end, Betamet is always the most advantageous. You know why. We operate worldwide, near you. We aim to be the global industry leader. We are where production is launched and where old is renewed. South America, Asia, Australia, and in Europe, of course. Our mechanics are familiar with factory projects both near the South and North Pole. We employ only the best in installation work, the top professionals whose work is greatly appreciated in 20 countries on 4 continents. Our clientele includes the world leaders in paper, pulp and mining industries and the companies they get their machinery and equipment from. We are committed. Our operations model, equipment and solutions translate into creativity. For us, work is art in techniques. We take installation further. We make it art. Betamet, art of installation.